Hi children, good afternoon. Welcome to Narayana Life Classes. Today in social, the topic is physical features division of the northern plains and the Satluj basin, page number 27. This is our social assignment today. So let us go with the tick the correct answers. Very first is the dash delta is the largest delta in the world. The delta which is the largest in the world. A. Godavari delta or B. Sundarban delta. So the answer is B. Sundarban delta. Sundarban delta is the largest delta in the world. Then second one, the dash dam built across river Satluj. The river Satluj, on the river across the river Satluj, the dam which has built, that is A. Bhakra Nangal dam or Hirakud dam, B. So the answer is A. Bhakra Nangal dam. Bhakra dam is the dam which has built across the river Satluj. Then third one, the dash is a low-lying area drained by rivers and their tributaries. The lowland, that is called delta or basin. So the correct answer is basin. A basin is a low-lying area drained by rivers and their tributaries. The next fourth one, the dash plains are formed by the deposition of soil brought by the perennial rivers. So the northern plains or the southern plains, these are the two options. The correct answer is the northern plains. The northern plains are formed by the deposition of soil brought by the perennial rivers. So as already I have said about the perennial rivers which has the water throughout the year. So there the soil will be very fertile and which is deposit on the northern plains. So here the soil is suitable for cultivation. So the answer is northern. So once again let us go. The Sundarban delta is the largest delta in the world. The Bhakra Nangal dam is the dam which has built across the river Satluj. The basin is a low-lying area drained by the rivers and their tributaries. And the northern plains are formed by the deposition of the soil brought by the perennial rivers. So next is fifth one. The perennial and the peninsular rivers break into many small rivers. So the perennial rivers and peninsular rivers, it breaks in so many small rivers. So those are called the distributaries. Answer is distributaries, not delta. Distributaries. A perennial or peninsular river break into many rivers, they are called the distributaries. Then sixth one, the northern plains is broadly divided into dash parts. The northern plains has divided into 3 parts. So answer is 3. The 3 river basins into 3 river basins the northern plains has divided. Next 7th one, the Beas river is the tributary of the dash river. So the Beas river is the tributary of Indus river. So once again let us go. The perennial and peninsular rivers break into many small rivers and they are called the distributaries. The northern plains is broadly divided into 3 parts. Then the Beas river is the tributary of the river Indus. Then let us go with the 7th one has completed. Now let's go with the 8th one. At the foothills of the Himalayas, deposit of dash is found. which soil is found there? Here the soil is alluvial soil. At the foothills of the Himalayas, deposit of alluvial soil is found. Next, Punjab and Haryana are formed from the lowland area of the Dash river. So, Punjab and Haryana are formed from the lowland of river Indus. Next, last one is, a dash is an area of low flat land shaped like a triangle where a river splits and spreads out into several branches before entering the sea. So, the area which is in triangular shape, which is made by the rivers which are flowing into which are entering in the river sea. So, it forms the delta shaped land that is called the triangular shaped land, that is called the delta. A delta is a low flat land which is shaped in triangular. So, triangular shaped land, that is called the delta. So, these are the 10. Tick the correct answer of social assignment of class 4th. Hope you all have understood. Thank you so much.